what do we think of this corner? I just bought this fake olive tree and little cement looking pot for this corner. I think it looks kind of cute. It like brings some more liveliness to that corner of the room. Also, I know an apartment tour is long overdue. Don't worry, I just want to get a couple more like decor pieces in the apartment before I show you the whole thing. We've been in here for like 6 months, maybe even more, maybe like 8 months already, and I still have yet to fully decorate this place. Slowly but surely, it's gonna be coming together. I've been getting all of my like inspo from TikTok and stuff and Pinterest. But I don't know, I think I like how it looks. I think it looks cute. Honest opinions only, please. So I'm heading out a little later to meet up with Corinne and Mad to get some drinks. I was planning on having dinner here, but I got back from work a little late, so I'm literally just going to make myself some leftover tacos that I had the other day, and then when I get home, probably just like make dinner for Jack and I, because I don't think I'm gonna be out that late. If you guys watch my last couple vlogs, you know that I've been obsessed with HelloFresh. Not sponsored. We pay every single week for HelloFresh because that's how much we love it. But I've been saving like literally all of our favorite recipes, and by far, out of all the meals that we've had, and don't get me wrong, they're all so good, like 10 out of 10. The tacos are chef's kiss. Unreal how good the tacos are. So I have been buying some of the like little ingredients, especially for the sauces that they have you make, just so I can like whip them up for lunch and stuff. So that's literally what I did the other day. So easy, and honestly it tasted as good as the actual HelloFresh meal. I have like my own little HelloFresh cookbook right here. So I'm gonna make some of these, probably change into a different outfit, and then I literally have to leave in like 45 minutes to go meet the girls. The easiest sauce recipe. So you take same amount of each, just mayo and this Korean, I'm gonna butcher the name, but this is the name. That's the name. So you mix equal parts both of these, and it is so freaking good. Usually I would have like this cabbage with it, but I forgot to make it. Maybe I'll quickly make some right now. Your cabbage. I literally never liked cabbage until I got HelloFresh meals. Just top the rest with the sauce. And now we enjoy the tacos. And also I was like never really a mayo girl growing up. I was like honestly kind of scarred from my dad, because my dad would put so much mayo on stuff that I was like, that's disgusting. But I'm learning that so many of my favorite sauces have mayo in it, so I'm just like, all right, get over it. So good. Hi guys, I'm heading out into Soho to go shoot with Steph. We're doing 2 looks today, which is good because I need content. I'm not gonna be wearing this black jacket with it, but I just have this like light blue Jerf Ave button down with this black belt, Abercrombie jeans, and then I'm gonna have like black heels with it. I'm not wearing these sneakers, but I will be wearing these sneakers for another look. But yeah, oh, I think I showed you guys the curtains, or maybe not, but me and Jack put up these curtains this weekend. Here's my cute little olive tree that you guys saw. Hey, hi, currently here with Steph. We shot 2 looks and I didn't vlog any of it, but that's okay.
That's okay. It's sunny, it's so nice.
It's sunny, yeah, thank God. So literally this past week it's been so cloudy and like rainy and gross, and finally we have some sun. Hello? I just got a taxi in.
What?
Wait, that was really cute. Right next to the trash can. I'm back from the city. I've been home for a while now. I've just been cooking lunch and working on my laptop and just getting like a bunch of admin work done. Tomorrow, I'm so excited. I have a dentist appointment for my Invisalign fitting. I never had braces as a kid. I had a retainer, and I was like one of those weirdos in middle school that was like, I really wanted glasses and I really wanted braces, and I didn't need either of the two. I just wanted them. I wanted them so badly. All my friends had them. I was like, fuck, like I want braces. So I'm going to this dentist. His name's Dr. Alex. He's the best. He's located in New York City. I'll leave his office down in the description bar if anyone's in the New York City area and wants, you know, needs a new dentist. Definitely recommend him. Him and his team are so great. They made me feel so comfortable at my first visit. So I'm going back to them tomorrow to get my Invisalign fitted, and then I'm starting my Invisalign program. I think my chair just got delivered. As you know, I got the olive tree. I'm putting up these curtains. And I want to have this be like a little statement chair shooting area. And I think the chair is delivered, so let's go get it. It seems kind of small. I'm a little nervous because this seems really small. Ugh, I'm gonna be so sad if I have to return it. Why is this so fucking small? I feel like this is like for a little kid's room. Is this supposed to be this small? I'm very confused. Fuck. All right, guess I have to order the next size up.
All you have to worry about for this step is whether or not you like how it smells. And then at the end, you get to name it anything up to 9 characters if you got a label on it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's very subtle. Okay, this one's gonna be maybe. I think I'm gonna do this one. Okay, so I just left the Ann Taylor event, making the perfume, like the custom perfume was so cool. Now I'm heading to Dr. Smoot in Soho to meet up with Steph. We're gonna shoot for a little bit, and then I have to race home. I have to get like a bunch of work done before I have to head back out for a Caledonia event at 4. And then Jack and I have dinner tonight at this place in Friday called High Water Rooftop. We're here at the Caledonia store. And should we play the little ball hit? Yeah. Ooh, I want this 20% off. Oh my god, I've never. Steph, I'm so proud of you. All right, Mag, you got this. Oh. Next time. Steph's doing it for me because I clearly can't do it myself. I think that was pretty good. Stop it, right? Oh. Beginner's luck, clearly. Alright, let's get you your 20% off for it. Why it's still jiggling. We want thoughts? I love this. We both got our 20%. Cheers. Hey, what should we get? Okay, so I just left the Caledonia event and now I'm heading to go pick up Jack and we're gonna go to our dinner collab that's all the way down in Friday. Look really good. I picked up 3 packages from our package room and I figured I'd just unbox them for you guys. Okay, first, this is very exciting. I have one of my Next by Maggie the Label fabrics. This like spring summer collection is going to be like seersucker and like very coastal granddaughter, coastal grandmother aesthetic. I'll show you these 3. I have a couple more other fabrics that I have sourced, but these are the 3 seersucker patterns. We have blue, pink, and yellow. I feel like that's just like classic with By Maggie the Label. For those that are new and don't know, I have a little handmade bag brand called By Maggie the Label where I make these really cute bags. It can be for your skincare, your makeup, if you want to toss it in your tote when you go to the beach this summer or you want to bring it on a picnic. This is literally called the picnic bag because it looks like a picnic blanket that I was obsessed with. These will be your best friends and I have some really, really cute patterns and fabrics coming to the brand that I'm very excited about. So I'll leave the Instagram down below. Oh, and last night I was credit card happy before falling asleep and I bought a couple of new things for the apartment, which I'm really excited about. Ooh, okay, this is from Smashbox. They sent over a bunch of primers that do different things. This is like hydrating primer, anti-redness, mattifying, and a glow primer. Ooh, very excited to try that out. And last but not least is from Kiehl's, and this is a couple of new products they sent over. This is the vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid concentrate, and the same thing but in an eye serum. And then they sent over some chamomile citrus herbal tea. I love that. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish up some of my food, and then I have some more filming to do, and I do want to go for a run later. I've been running again. It's not fun. It's really not fun, but I'm going on vacation to one of my friend's weddings in a couple weeks in the Bahamas, and I just want to tone up a little bit as I'm eating cheese and crackers. Oh, pretty sure the new nightstands that I ordered just came in, so let's put them together. I got them off of Amazon, and the last time I made an Amazon purchase, as we saw, didn't go well. Didn't go well. Boxes look kind of small, not gonna lie. But I took measurements this time. Like, I actually looked at the measurements, so I feel like this should be better than the chair situation. I feel like I should probably wait for Jack to come home to help me build this, but like, I can build stuff. Okay, so far it's looking correct. Cute. It matches our TV console. Okay, all right. Okay, so I kind of think I want to go to the gym and have like Jack do this. I freaking built it. I built the drawer. It really only took me like 30 minutes. This Amazon furniture purchase is so much better than the last one. Put in the drawer. It looks so good. Okay, let's put it in the bedroom. I feel like the top might be on wrong. Hang on. Crap, yeah, the top is backwards. Hang on. Okay, fixed it. Okay, I think it's really cute. All right, now we just have to decorate it. This lamp might be a little too big, but we'll play around with it. Okay, I feel like this is cute for right now. Okay, she's looking very cute, very aesthetic. I think I want to get a taller plant vase and a different Mason Margiela candle, but this is looking cute. I'm currently getting ready to meet a few friends to shoot and for brunch. We're going to this like lunch spot called Sicconi's in Brooklyn, and I'm really excited because I've never been there before. I just got in these new primers from Smashbox. This is the Illuminate one. There's like 4 different ones, but I've been combining the Illuminate Glow Primer with my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter and the Glow. If you're someone that really likes the Glow, that combo is chef's kiss, truly. Also like low-key kind of in a rush, so I'm trying to do this as quick as I can. All right, I'm gonna finish doing my makeup and I will catch up with you guys when I'm on my way to lunch. Cheers. Cheers. Yay. When we all get the same thing, literally. Do you like your pasta? It's so good. Good morning, friends. Today I have a couple work things to do. I'm gonna be heading into the city to shoot with Ray. Sorry if I'm not looking directly at you. It's just, the sun is really blinding. Look how cute this pajama set is. Wait, let me show you. When I was home, me and my sister went to the mall and we went to Gap because they had 40% off. And we saw these pajamas and like a bunch of other really cute stuff. And I was like, damn, the Gap has like pretty decent stuff. Wait, let me show you these pants that I got. They're so cute for spring and summer. They're pajama pants, but they're like that pinstriped blue, like loungy pants. These are gonna be perfect for the beach, but like also as pajamas. And even just like styling them on a normal day. The Gap, don't sleep on the Gap, let me tell you. My little cactus. This cactus Jack got for me when we first moved into our apartment, and she is thriving. Love her. A very fun package just came in from Jerv Ave. I'm pretty sure it's the new spring bedding that I got. I'm so excited. I got the really cute pastel striped bedding. Also, I just put my Invisalign in, so if I have a list, that's why. This pattern just puts me in the spring mood, and I'm so excited. Hi, sorry, my camera died. While it was charging, I was just doing a bunch of work, like editing on the couch, but I wanna show you guys the bed because it's really freaking cute. It is just so perfect for spring. Oh, I love it. And look how freaking cute my Maggie the Label bags look on it. I'm literally so in love. Now I'm just quickly getting ready to go meet Ray to shoot. I'm just gonna do some quick makeup and then get my outfits together and then head out the door. So I have 3 looks that I'm shooting today. This is the first one, and then I have 2 more on the bed here, and they're all from Ann Taylor. I'm not kidding when I say that Ann Taylor has really grown on me in terms of just like having capsule wardrobe basics and just like really cute pieces for spring and summer. There's like some of the pieces are just really aligning with my style, and I'm kind of surprised because I never really was like an Ann Taylor girly in the past. Also, how cute is this tank top? A really cute, like elevated basic. I'm gonna go get the rest of the stuff together. Okay. I should judge it, but I'm gonna better. Me and Ray are here shooting in Soho. This is when you know that influencers are shooting when they have 2 big bags. Yeah. 3rd outfit change. I didn't show you guys the second. I'm so sorry. Got a new camera.